Welcome everyone. I'm finally getting around to do that holiday Happy Thanksgiving turkey. Yes, I'm going to do it the same way my mom did it. This one's going to be unstuffed. If I have enough time, because we're getting down to the wire here, I will actually stuff a turkey and cook it in the Ninja Foodi oven. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air oven has been wonderful so far. Honest to God, it has. As you guys know, I'm completely honest. If I don't like it, or if I didn't like it, like its predecessor, it's been sitting in the spare bedroom. I maybe used it 3 or 4 times, not gonna lie, and it's been sitting in the spare bedroom. This one, I use this one almost, well, I wouldn't say every day because I have to have some days off. I know. But yeah, let's jump right in and make this turkey. And this turkey isn't the biggest turkey in the whole wide world. It is might as well start and tell you guys. It is a 11.23 pound turkey. The reason being is because I want to make this turkey and then I want to get another turkey and stuff it. I'm going to have turkey coming out my ears. But yeah, come on over and let's start making this turkey. Turkey. And you know something? To be honest with you, I haven't watched any other videos of people doing turkeys in there. Because I know John Sanders has made a turkey in here. I think a couple turkeys. I wish I had time to watch everybody else's YouTube channel. I just don't. I wish I did. But what I'm going to do is, let's open it up first right now. The tray's in the rack. I'm putting it on number 1 because the turkey's going to take up most of the room in there. We're going to turn it on and I'm going to use air roast. And temp, I'm bringing it down to 350. Whoops. And I'm going to start preheating it now. It's not going to take me very long because I'm following suit of what my mother did. It's simple. I did it on the last turkey breast that I did. And this is all she ever did. And it was so good. Maybe it's just a childhood memory thing, but I love it. Because I do have fresh sage in the yard that I could actually go out and get. But this just reminds me of my childhood and the great memories for holidays. So this is Tom the turkey. Remember, we used to call him that all the time. I took him, froze him in the, I kept him in the fridge like for 3 days so he could defrost. Then I took him out, popped him in the sink, and let him come up to probably like room temperature for 30 minutes. Then undid him, washed him, you do all that good stuff. I reserved the neck and the other bits that were inside here. And yeah, I got a fresh thing of Bell seasoning. This is what my mom used. It's a New England thing. I think, do you guys hear that? I want to get this on read. This is awesome. I finally got this. This started doing this the other day, the day before yesterday. So I do have to call Ninja Kitchen, and I don't know what that is, but it's making a not so nice noise. I do not want this thing to break because I do love this oven. Let's see if I can open this up. Oh, see, it comes out the sides. Look, it's like puffing. I'm just going to take some of that pepper and just put it in the cavity. Going to do the same thing with the salt. Just put a little bit of salt. And since he's over, I am going to take this. I'm going to salt his underside here. Going to pepper it. And I'm going to take some of that Bell seasoning. And you're getting a nice picture of my hand. It's a fine powder, this seasoning, but it's so good. So good. Want to do the wings as well. Ah, whoopsies. There we go. Let's flip him back over. Oh, we got some water coming out. I know, I'm all discombobulated today. I've done this a trillion times and I'm lost or something today. We're going to do it just like I said. We're going to do it the same way my mom did it. This is just how she did it. Whether it's right or wrong, this is just her technique. Now I'm going to she used to take pats of butter. Let's see if we can get under there. There. This is all she did. She used to take pats of butter and put it under the skin because the butter will baste the breast meat. Do it on both sides. It's a tough turkey here. Ah, I just ripped the skin. Ugh. So this bird's not going to be picture perfect anyway. You can see how his shirt, he's wearing like a half shirt here. He's got belly exposed. Well, breast exposed. I'm going to spray him down with a little oil. So like the seasonings will adhere. Now my mom didn't do that step. I'm just going to take salt. You're going to salt the whole turkey. Because we did most of his wings and stuff earlier. Alright. Throw some over your left shoulder for good luck. Just going to put a little bit of pepper, not much. And once again, just Bell seasoning. This is going to be all over the kitchen. Oops. I need some kind of shaker for this. All right. I will put a little bit in the cavity. And that's all my mom did. And then she tried to tuck the winglets a bit, but that's all she did. And then she put a couple pats of butter all over the top of the bird. And you know something? Thanksgiving was really, really good. It, honest to God, was. I'm going to take a few more butter pats. This is just simple, just I don't know, just the way my mom did it. The butter will melt, but I'm just following suit of what she did. I am going to use the meter app today. There we go. Whoop, hitting something. There we go. We're going to try it that way. But I'm also going to do an instant read thermometer test too. This is the first time I'm using the meter to do a turkey. So I hope I placed the meter correctly. And then now we're just going to pop them in the oven. Alrighty. Now a lot of times what I do, I don't even set up the meter app before I put the food in because it takes extra time. So what I am going to do is just open that up and we're going to put this turkey in here. Just like that. Boom. I am going to increase the time. I'm going to bring it up to like an hour and a half. So I really don't know how long this is going to take. Like I said, I haven't watched any other videos. I haven't. I wish I did have the time. I would. But we'll keep it on an hour and a half and we'll go from there. And right now I'll grab my old phone. We're going to hit meter. We're going to tap to set up a cook. We're going to do poultry. We're going to do turkey. We're going to do whole. Whoa. Target temp is 165. So I'm just going to start the cook. Hold on. Come on. There we go. So the internal temperature is 46. Target is 165. And the temp inside the oven right now is 145. And it's slowly climbing. And some kind of algorithm, I don't know how it estimates the cook time, but it does actually take a little while for it to formulate that cook time. But so far, the meter app has been spot on, and I've only ever had one issue with it, but yeah, so we're going to go with that. All right, so the meter app is ringing me right now saying that we have less than 5 minutes cook time left. Oh, you guys can't even see that. There we go. It's 157 degrees internal, and our target's 165. So we have 4 minutes left on the cook time. And just for fun, I did break out my ThermoWorks thermometer. Because I have it in the house, I said, why not use it? So I did put it in a different part of the turkey, and that's 170. And it's wired right there. And I also have my instant read thermometer too, because I just want to hit it. I want to hit it down in this section just to make sure it's done. And I also want to hit the turkey breast. But we're almost done. I want to check it, and then yeah, it looks really good. And for a 13-pound turkey to cook in, we got 26 minutes left to cook basically about how long a chicken does, a 5-pound chicken. So now I have to go get a chicken again, because I know I did the chicken and butternut squash, and What I have noticed, if you have veg and stuff in with like a whole roast, it takes much longer than if you just cook things in individually. But I have a complete meal video coming out, which will go over that. It's interesting. So I thought I had it set, and yeah, it's a learning, you know? Everything with these appliances there's a learning curve. And the more you use these appliances, the better you get, and it's really, really nice. They're super easy once you take the time and practice and play with them. I want you guys to hear this alarm. Do, 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 do. No, it's not going to do it. Jeez. It's telling me that it's done, so I'm going to go ahead and stop it. So if this is, I'm jumping the gun here. Let's open it up. It looks really, really good. I'm going to turn my instant read thermometer on. And I'm just going to stick the bird right there just for fun. Now that's 163. Wow. Let me go oh, I'm hitting bone. Ow. So what I'm going to do, don't do what I did a few weeks ago and grab this with your bare hand. Yeah, very bad. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. You know something? The more I look at it, it is about the size of a chicken. It's a good looking bird. It browned up nicely. I mean, inside the armpits. It usually doesn't brown. My father loves these wings, so that's going to go over. I mean, this wasn't a good bird to begin with because it was wearing like a half shirt. Well, not a half shirt, a 3/4 shirt. So the lower breasts were exposed. So it's not like that picture perfect bird. So I'm going to have to pick and choose. Well, you can't see them. I'm just going to have to pick up another one because I think everything is on sale this week. And that means I can play with a bunch of these. It's very inexpensive then. You don't mind messing around with them. And don't worry, they won't go to waste. I save all the bones and make stock and whatnot. I just haven't done a video on it. I just usually just throw it in a stock pot and make some stock. But yeah, we're going to let this rest, and then we're going to do that taste test. We're going to carve that turkey. I am going to rip his little winglet off here. My father loves these, so I will be bringing these down momentarily so he can have an afternoon snack. Because it is relatively early today. I cooked this, I forget, I don't know what time it is, but it is relatively early. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, look at the meat just came right out. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, the skin is nice and crispy. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at the juice. Yeah, this is going to be moist. Beautiful and moist. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let's put that down there. Wow. Oh, okay. I got to do the taste test. Ha, I see it. Okay. This is 13 pounds. It's a bit heavy to hold, but it's not that bad. There's a nice close-up of the bird. It looks super moist. It's a little off kilter, so presentation-wise, you'd have to put something underneath it to even it out. And plus, it's got a 3/4 shirt on. But let's do that taste test because it looks really super moist. Whoa! Gotta mop it again. Okay, so let's, I want you to see this hunk of meat, and I'm just gonna take a little taste test here. Here, look how moist that is. Yeah. Taste test. Oh. Good. Nice and moist. It's nice and moist, super simple and easy to make. And this 13-pound turkey, oh, I shut it off. Cooked in 1 hour and 7 minutes, 350 air roast using rack 1. Unbelievable. So now, because usually a 5 or 6 pound chicken, I did cook it with butternut squash. So now I need to get myself a chicken either next week's Thanksgiving, or the week after, and I'm going to do a plain roasted chicken in here and see how long a 5 or 6 pound chicken takes compared to a 13-pound turkey. So it's interesting to me. I don't know. I really am enjoying this oven. I think it's great. Yeah. I mean, and hopefully, what is today? Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to have to pop out to the store even though it's the weekend, and I have, it's just too many people for me. It's just who I am. If I can get another smaller turkey, because I don't want to buy a gigundo turkey. I don't want to keep wasting food. I can't. I just can't do it. I will try to do a stuffed turkey in here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notifications. Stay tuned for more videos using a multitude of different Ninja appliances. But I usually focus on the grill, the oven, and, oh my God, the Foodi. And yeah, I still have a dual air fryer to review. It's crazy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I have to run downstairs and get the paper towels. I went down for kosher salt and totally forgot the paper towels. So thanks, everybody.